Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to cook noodles in a few easy steps. Noodles are a great addition to any meal and can be prepared in a variety of ways. Let's get started. Step 1. Boil the water. The first step to cooking noodles is to bring a pot of water to a boil. Fill a large pot with water and place it on the stove over high heat. Allow the water to come to a rolling boil before adding the noodles. Step 2. Add salt. Once the water has come to a boil, add a generous pinch of salt to the pot. This will help to flavor the noodles as they cook. Step 3. Add the noodles. Now it's time to add the noodles to the pot of boiling water. Gently place the noodles into the pot and stir them around to make sure they don't stick together. Step 4. Cook the noodles. Cook the noodles according to the package instructions. Typically, most noodles take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook. You can check the noodles for doneness by tasting a strand. The noodles should be cooked but still slightly firm to the bite. Step 5. Drain the noodles. Once the noodles are cooked to your liking, it's time to drain them. Carefully pour the contents of the pot into a colander placed in the sink. Shake the colander gently to remove any excess water. Step 6. Rinse the noodles. Some types of noodles may require rinsing to remove excess starch or to cool them down quickly. If you're making a cold noodle dish, rinsing the noodles with cold water can help to stop the cooking process and make the noodles easier to handle. Step 7. Serve the noodles. Your noodles are now ready to serve. You can add them to a soup or stir fry, or enjoy them on their own with a little bit of sauce. Noodles are a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different recipes. Conclusion: that's it for today's video on how to cook noodles. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now confident in your ability to prepare delicious noodles at home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips and recipes.